The Yautja Smart Disc. A weapon beyond our technological knowledge. A disc sharper than anything we know, that the Predator race throws in a discus-like fashion. It returns similar to a boomerang, though this is from a technological inclusion. The weapon itself is so ingrained in the culture and fighting style of the Yautja that some of the young bloods are even trained in it exclusively, becoming disc masters after years of training. The disc master is able to control the disc in flight, forcing it to change direction to better target its victims and prey. This is said to be done with the Yautja's mind, but it is likely that it is the biomask integration, much like the plasmacaster, which tracks a predator's line of sight. The disc is relatively small and compact when not in use, and they come in various shapes and designs. Some include nanovibronic edges, which is essentially a chainsaw around the edge of the blade. The fact the disc returns to its user makes it perhaps one of the most useful and versatile weapons the Yautja possess. Enabling quick maneuverability and ranged attacks, the Smart Disc is able to cut through every known metal on Earth and even the Yautja's own alloys, as seen when Harrigan uses it to break free from a Predator net. This weapon is featured prominently in the Predator universe, from the movies to the games and the extended universe comics, with variants offering unique shapes and attack styles. But I'm curious, which is your favourite, and do you like the inclusion of this weapon to the Predator's arsenal? Let me know what you think down below in the comments section, and if you did enjoy this video then please consider leaving it a like and subscribing to the channel for more in the future. If you think this video is worth it and you want to support the channel, then please head on over to my Patreon page, the link is in the description box. I've been Mr. H, and until next time, I'll catch you in the comments section.